Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check running apps on your iPhone. There are two different ways to check if an app is running on your iPhone. One for apps that are physically open and another for apps running in the background. To check physically open apps on iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle of the screen. On iPhones with a home button, double-click the home button. In the app switcher, you will see a carousel of all the apps that are currently open. Swipe left or right to view all open apps. To check background app activity, open the Settings app on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on General. In the General settings, tap on Background App Refresh. Tap on Background App Refresh at the top. Here, you will see three options: Off, Wi-Fi and mobile data. If it is set to off, no apps will refresh in the background. If it is set to Wi-Fi, apps will only refresh when connected to Wi-Fi. If it is set to Wi-Fi and mobile data, apps will refresh on both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Below the background app refresh setting, you will see a list of all your apps with toggles next to them. These toggles indicate whether each app is allowed to refresh in the background. You can individually turn off background refresh for apps that you don't want to run in the background by toggling the switch next to each app. Turning off background app refresh can help extend your battery life and save data. Apps running in the background can drain your battery faster, and background app refresh uses mobile data, which can be a concern if you have a limited data plan. Disabling it can help save data. Some apps might access your location or update content even when you are not actively using them. Turning off background refresh can help protect your privacy. For many users, it's beneficial to turn off background app refresh to conserve battery and data. If you want to use an app, simply open it and it will refresh with the latest information. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.